is the structural and functional unit of
all living
organism or life. Yes, you are right. But cell has totipotency. Totipotency means the cell has ability to divide itself and ability to form the whole organism. Okay? Just for example, zygote has totipotency. You think about that. Zygote is diploid and it is unicellular.
Yes.
Zygote is diploid and unicellular and it has affinity or capability to form the whole organism. So we all the sexually reproducing organisms develop from the zygote. Fine? So cell has totipotency. Two types of organisms.
Multicellular and multicellular.
Yes. Unicellular and multicellular. Now, first cell was discovered by Robert Hooke. First cell was discovered by Robert Hooke. First time saw the cell and gave the name live cell by Enthoven von Leeuwenhoek. I think it is given there. And later on, Robert Brown discovered the nucleus. And after discovery of the nucleus, the scientists were able to see the cell division. Microscope was invented there, and they gave the conclusion that genetic material is DNA. And after discovery of the DNA in biology, genetic engineering, biotechnology, this was started there. અને અત્યારે એટલું બધું ડેવલપ થઈ ગયું છે, બરોબર? તો અત્યારે આપણે વિધિન લેસ દેન 1 year we are able to form the corona vaccine. હવે અત્યારે જે કોરોના વેક્સિન છે એની અંદર ડેથ ઓર ઇનએક્ટિવેટેડ કોરોના વાયરસ છે, એનાથી આપણી ઇમ્યુનિટી પાવર ઇમ્પ્રૂવ થાય. Similar to that polio vaccine. એમાં પોલિયો ડેડ વાયરસ જ યુઝ થાય છે. એટલે પર્સન બોડી આઈડેન્ટિફાઈ કરે કે this is the corona virus or polio virus, and the immunity power can produce the antibody against it. And at the time of the antibody formation, the person gets little bit fever or little bit changes inside the body, and this is known as attenuated vaccine or active vaccine. Person is able to produce the antibody, so we have to give the antigen or pathogen to the person or to the body. Okay, so for example, if any poisonous insect can bite, any metallic instruments can be now coming in contact with our blood. I'm talking about tetanus vaccine. If rabbit dog bites, હડકાયું કૂતરું કરડે, કોઈ પણ કૂતરું કરડે તો હડકાયું જ હોય એવું જરૂરી નથી. But એના સલાઈવાની અંદર, let me clear this. Any dog can bite. Okay, so in its saliva might be rabies pathogen is present, and that's why we can take the vaccine against the rabies. હડકવાની આપણે રસી લેવાની છે. પહેલાના ટાઈમની અંદર હડકવાની રસીને 14 ઇન્જેક્શન આપતા હતા. હમણાં 1% છે. અત્યારે લિમિટેડ ડોઝ થઈ ગઈ. અને અત્યારે ટોટલી આપણે ઇરેડિકેટેડ કરી શકીએ. બટ I mean to say that against the rabies, tetanus, against the poisonous insects venom, our body is unable to produce the antibody. Our body is unable to produce the antibody. That's why we take direct ready-made antibody inside our body. Our body is unable to produce the antibody. That's why we take ready-made antibody inside the body. And with the help of that antibody, we are able to fight against it. એટલે આપણને કોઈ સ્નેક બાઇટ કરે તો સ્નેક વેનમ સામે આપણે એન્ટીબોડી ક્રિએટ નથી કરી શકતા. એટલે આપણે હોસ્પિટલમાં જઈને એન્ટી સ્નેક વેનમ વેક્સિન લઈએ. એન્ટી સ્નેક વેનમ વેક્સિન. So this vaccine can give us the resistance power against the snake venom. Understand? Okay? So after discovery of the DNA, biotechnology, genetic engineering developed that at a large scale. બરોબર બહુ ડેવલપ થઈ ગયું છે. Now, tell me about the cell theory. Initially, cell theory was given by Sladen and Swan. Sladen and Swan, actually Swan, Sladen and Swan give us the theory. In that cell theory, 2 points are there. Cell is a structural and functional unit of the body, and each and every organism develops from cell and its products. But here, Sladen and Swan was unable to give the conclusion related to the new cell formation. So now modified cell theory is given by Rudolf Virchow, and he had added one more sentence in the previous cell theory, omnicellular cellular. It means yes, the new cell it is arise from the pre-existing cell by cell division. So you remember that, fine? याद रखो. एक खास पूछा है. आखिरी थियरी में omnicellular cellular is much more important. And totipotency. Totipotency word is not given there in the textbook. I think. Okay. Now, anyone, can you give me the difference between animal cell and plant cell?
Cell wall is present, cell wall is absent.
Anyone? One by one point, yes.
Cell wall is present in plant cell, cell wall is absent in animal cell.
Okay, cell wall is present in plant cell, absent in animal cell. Second?
Plant cells are autotrophic while animal cells are heterotrophic.
Okay, plant cells are autotrophic. Okay, and animal cells are heterotrophic. Good. Then
Centrosomes are present in animal cells
centrosomes or centrioles are present only in animal cell, absent in plant cell. Good. Then
plant cell have large ventricles and animal cell have small ventricles.
small ventricle. A little bit change.
Small and
Animal cell
Animal cells have very small vacuole or no vacuole.
or no vacuole, very small vacuole or no vacuole. But in plant cell,
Large
it is large vacuole and consists major portion of the cell. It covers major portion of the cell. Good.
And
And
chloroplast is present in plant cell and absent in animal cell.
ઓકે એટલે એ તમે ઓટોટ્રોપિક હેટરોટ્રોપિક માં થોડું કોમન પોઈન્ટ માટે ઇન્ક્લુડ કરી શકો છો કે પ્લાન્ટ સેલ કન્સિસ્ટ ક્લોરોપ્લાસ્ટ ધેટ્સ વાય દે આર ઓટોટ્રોપિક યસ
Nucleus is centrally located in animal cell, whereas side-wise located in plant
no
cell.
no no not a difference there no actually one thing I will tell you, cytoplasm is continued there, but according to the organelle, cytoplasm it is divided into many more organelles. Actually, cytoplasm is continued there, but there is no variation. Actually, no differentiation between the nucleus and the cell. Then
Plasmodesmata is present.
both. Plasmodesmata actually it is present between the two successive cells for connection of the plasma membrane for exchange of that materials.
Sir, cytosome is present in
Centrosome is nothing but two centrioles. Centrosome is equal to two centrioles. Middle lamella is present in the plant cell. Middle lamella is present in the plant cell, and middle lamella it is formed of calcium pectate and magnesium pectate. Calcium pectate and magnesium pectate. Okay? Clear? Okay. Now tell me about the difference between the prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Now you make a difference between these two. Yes.
Yes, ribosomes in eukaryotic and
Absolutely wrong.
prokaryotic. Yes,
Trauma
8 years,
and sometimes
30 years, 40 years, 6 years.
नीलामी बनाओगे डेढ़ यूनिट है डेढ़ सब यूनिट 7 years में 2 सब यूनिट्स 30 and 50
underdeveloped and poor nucleus in prokaryotic and eukaryotic have very well developed nucleus. And nuclear membrane is present in eukaryotic and nuclear membrane is not present in prokaryotic, and membrane bound organelles are present in eukaryotic and membrane bound organelles are not present in prokaryotic but except ribosome.
good every points are right.
Plastics are present in eukaryotic.
Okay. Plastics are present in eukaryotic, absent in prokaryotic. Everybody hear that explanation? Prokaryotic cells, not well developed nuclear membrane. That's why nucleus is not well developed or underdeveloped. Okay, and along with that, membranous organelles are also absent there. But only single membrane, ribosome. Only ribosomes are present in both prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Actually, the cell it is divided into two groups. Like example, prokaryotic and eukaryotic, and then later on eukaryotic cell it is divided into two parts: animal cell and the plant cell, like that. Okay, but one more point: ribosome Ribosome is present in mitochondria as well as in the chloroplasts as well as it is associated with the endoplasmic reticulum. That is known as RER, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Here, and some ribosomes are free in the cytoplasm. And ribosomes are nothing but the protein factory of the cell. Protein is always synthesized in the ribosome only. Here, about the prokaryotic, eukaryotic, and ordinary for observation of the plant cell, we take the specimen from the onion. And yes, any animal cell we can take the specimen of chick cell. Correct? Gradually observe under the microscope there. Okay, now you verify this. Mycoplasma is the smallest cell, 0.3 micrometer in length. Bacteria 3 to 5 micrometer. Largest section of ostrich 16 centimeter long. Egg cell of the ostrich is 16 centimeter long. Human RBC 7 micrometer in diameter and longest cell of the human body is nerve cell. Okay, now prokaryotic cells in that 2 points. It is given there. It is given there. Listen first. Capsule, glycocalyx, glycocalyx, the cell capsule, and mesosome. The most important line, mesosomes in prokaryotes are resembles to mitochondria in eukaryotes. Okay, so mesosomes acts as a powerhouse of the cell. Okay, here I can stop now. Fine.